Hey guys, so yesterday I literally woke up to my house crying. There was a leak from the roof coming into the laundry room, and I had to react and act quickly. I didn't have a car, so I had to go by bike to the store, get a plastic cover, and come back to put it all over because it was going to rain the whole night. It's going good so far. The weights are holding, the plastic cover hasn't moved. So yeah, I'll show you how much it was the struggle because I was all alone and I wanted to continue the bathroom renovations, but it is what it is, folks. That's how it happens when you're renovating a whole house. Sometimes you have ad hoc projects like that. Alright, see you around. Patience, and it's going into the lab. Sorry guys, I ran out of battery. But anyways, I think it's almost done. Almost done. So I put some weight so it doesn't bother. I also put some plastic on top. For the time being, unfortunately there's a storm coming soon, so it's the best I can do for the time being. At least this is going to hold for a couple of months until I can properly work on this roof. Yeah, not the prettiest, I know, don't kill me. Don't dislike. But at least it's gonna be waterproof. Water here will come down that way, end up in the garden. Same here, it will come down this way. And since there's damage already on the roof, as you can see here and there's gonna be a little pool that is gonna come up and continue its way down, and all the rest will finish on that side. I just need to glue those plastic bags that I put because the cover wasn't good, big enough, and we'll see for the rest. Anyways, if it falls apart, that will be a very funny video that I will upload. Let me know what you think. All right.